The lifted over knot with the knitted together is made when we want to decrease a stitch at the end of the lifted over knot. We're going to start just as we do with the lifted over knot. We're going to take the third stitch with our right needle, pass it over the first two stitches, and we're going to knit the first stitch, make a yarn over, and we're going to knit together the second stitch with the next stitch. Just knit them both together, and I'm holding the yarn over so it doesn't fall off the right needle. So we're going to do the yarn over, hold it in place, and go ahead and knit the second stitch together with the next stitch.